Good morning. Today is Friday. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I gonna blend what? Carrots, beets, apple, and blueberry. And this is the orange juice here. So we have to take care of our health because our health is very important for us. So now, what's I gonna do? Here. And blend this. Beets. I gonna do with this carrots. First one is beets, now this is carrots. Let me see it here. Try it first. What happened here? Now it's crashing now. Now I put this apple.